What's going on, folks? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I guess you guys want me to talk about what the hell I was going to talk about, right? Don't rush me, okay? Because I get mad when people start rushing me. All I wanted to do in this video was congratulate Beyonce and Jigga Man, Jay-Z, Hove, Rockefeller on the baby that they brought to this world. Little Ivory Blue. You know, I want to say congratulations to the both of you guys. Two megastars bringing in another megastar in the making. You know, I'm just a little pissed off the fact that people keep talking all this shit. That's an Illuminati baby. Illuminati. Fuck that for a minute, okay? Alright, this is a baby that's brought into this world. Critics and trolls ain't got shit else better to do but talk about the negative shit versus the positive. Stop that shit, okay? Do you ever take a break? Do you ever relax? Do you take a deep breath at times? Because half of the time I don't think you fucking haters do that. All you want to do is focus on some negative shit. They brought another human being in this world that's probably going to be just as successful as them. Let's hope. And Illuminati and all that shit got nothing to do with this fucking baby, okay? At least now. And that's for all you people that believe in Illuminati, you know? Just let them enjoy the fact that they got a baby. That's all I'm saying, folks. That's all I'm saying, man. You know, I didn't want to get loud with y'all today because my voice is sore. You know, it's sore, it's scratchy. Now I need to get over here and get me some water and relax. All right? Congratulations, B. Congratulations, J. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, making hot music, making power moves, and pop some more babies out. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you can name your next baby Jet Black, far as I'm concerned. It's your child. You did it. People shouldn't have nothing to say about what you named your child that you created, right? Jay-Z a boss. Jay-Z is a boss, though, man, because Jay-Z, this is what I think I was going to talk about. I almost slipped my mind. People was bitching about he's renting out the 4th floor, $1 million. What the fuck about everybody else? First of all, hospitals is there to help people, but if you don't got insurance in some cases, they could give a fuck about you. Money talks to people. So if Jay-Z's willing to rent out the 4th floor for $1.4 million, $1.3 million, you think they ain't gonna let him do it? And plus, their baby is fucking, you know, a high demand. You know, there's some crazy motherfuckers walking around here that might want to get a hold of their baby and want some ransom money and all that. If I had the money and I was a megastar like that, I might do that too. I'm not even gonna lie. You know, question of the day for this video, do you think it was fair that Jay-Z rented off the 4th floor, you know, and nobody was allowed to go up there at all because of his baby was born? Do you think he was wrong for that? I don't know. I'm not going to say Jay was wrong. I'm going to get out of here because my throat is really hurting now. Deuces.